welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are doing this look right here. I don't know why I just did that. We're doing this look right here. It is inspired by my beautiful nails. Not exactly like my nails, but it's inspired, you know? If you guys like this purple colorful look, which I almost did not post, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, subscribe to my channel, and let's get into it. Okay, so I still haven't decided if I'm gonna post this video. I don't know. So as the title states and what I said in the beginning, this video is pretty much me just playing with color, and I really wanted to play with purple, and also I kind of wanted to go off of my nails, if you guys can see it. That is where this inspiration came from, and also a picture. I will link the picture somewhere on the screen. Kind of just made it my own. I'm not sure if I like it. I think I'd probably wear it to like a really cool festival. I don't know, like Halloween party. Like, I don't know like where I would wear this. I did wear this look though at work, and I did get a lot of compliments. Like, I don't know, the more and more I look at it, the more I'm like, I don't know, like it's completely different from something I ever would think to do. So I don't know, let's just get into it before I like completely change my mind. Okay, so as you guys can see, my base is on and I already have one of my eyes done. I didn't want to make this like a long video, so I'm gonna go in and do this eye on camera for you guys. So I went in with my PLouise base. This is in Vivid Violet, and I just have a little bit on my little what do you call this, like a little palette that I got from Amazon. And I'm gonna take this flat kind of angled shader brush. It's already dirty because I obviously used it, and we're gonna go in. Let me pull my mirror a little closer. All right, so I kind of took a little bit on my brush, and I mapped out like where I wanted the color to be. I want to do kind of like a winged liner with it. I fill it in. If you guys are a TikToker, you guys, or watch TikTok, you know exactly who that's from. I'm obsessed with her makeup looks. One day I am gonna do her makeup look, oh my god, because it's really, really good. Alright, so I kind of just went in and built this up just a little bit more with color. That's kind of what I went for. I kind of did like this. I took another brush, which you can if you want, just to clean it up just a tad. I didn't really do like too much to it, so I'm gonna let that dry just for like a tad bit. Palette we're using today, I tried to look at my collection for like lilac purpley colors, and I thought I had like a lot of palettes that had that in there, but apparently I didn't. So the only palette that I had is this Vice palette. So I got this from a website. I'm pretty sure it's called Bad Habit. It's one of those like Makeup Revolution websites where they do dupes of high-end palettes, but you're paying a fraction of the price. Not quite sure what this palette is supposed to be a dupe of, but it had the lilac, you know, hold on. There we go. So it had the lilac shades that I was looking for. So in this palette, I use this lilac shade here, which is in Miami, and then I use this like glittery iridescent purple shade, and that one is in Kingpin. And then I used a little bit of this on my lower lash line, which is in Get Down, which is like a muted purple color. And then here is the lilac. So I use these three shades in today's look. I really do like this palette, and I don't nearly use it enough. But this is the, like I said, the Vice palette by Face Candy, and I leave the link down below. I'm pretty sure I got it off the website Bad Habit. Yeah, so let's get into it since this is pretty dry. I'm gonna take a small brush like this, and this is the Morphe x Jaclyn Hill. This is in JH42, and we're gonna go in with Miami, and I'm gonna dip some. It's very powdery when you dip, so make sure you tap off the excess. And literally, I'm just going in over top of the base that I put down. Yeah, that's nice. I'm gonna take another brush, and I'm gonna go in with, what is this one? Get Down. Just a little bit, because I do not want to do too heavy on the lower lash line, to be honest. So I just went in and I did the outer portion. very lightly. So my favorite part is the inner corner because that is such a pretty shade. So that is in Kingpin. So we're gonna take that middle shade on another brush. Okay, first we're gonna dab off the excess. And I literally just went in the corner and just started going up and down. Look how pretty that color is. And I just kept doing it till it built it up to the color that I wanted it to be. Look how pretty that color is. It's so pretty, right? I'm gonna take the E.L.F. glitter. This is in Disco Queen. And I literally just took it. I'm gonna kind of dab it off a little bit. And I just dabbed the glitter onto the purple. I know it's hard to see, but do you guys see the glitter? When I went to work with this on, like, I work for retail, so it's like, girl, it's a little extra for it, but I didn't have the glitter on it. I was just looking at my nails and I'm like, well, the nails have glitter, so let's just, you know, be spontaneous and add glitter. And who doesn't like glitter? Next, I'm going to go in with my mascara. I use the ABH mascara and Lash Brag, which is like one of my favorite lash mascaras. It's one of my favorite mascaras. Like, I literally am obsessed with it. Oh, I almost forgot. I went in with the TrèStique, I think it's called. It's a black liner, and I forgot that I tight lined, so let me do that real quick. Ooh. And I just stuck to the outer half because I want the inner half to be light and airy with the purple. I feel like I say that all the time, light and airy. I'm gonna apply my lash glue. I let that dry. I'm gonna go in with the Essence Volume Booster for my lower lash line, and I literally focused it more towards the inner portion. I hate my lashes. Just like, bleh. Lashes I'm gonna use, I honestly do not know what they are. They just came in this container that has no name to it, but I really do like these lashes. So I'm gonna go pop those on and I'll be right back. I'm just going in to get more of the purple because it's giving me life as I was staring at it, so why not? And here is the lashes on and mascara on and the final look. What do you guys think? I think it's something completely different. Let's be real. It's something completely different than I've ever done. I'm kind of here for it. At first I wasn't, but seeing it like on completely, I don't mind this look. I'd wear this out for like a festival or to like a concert, or I'd wear it for Halloween. Or you know what? I've already wore it to work. Maybe I might wear it again. You guys think about it. I think maybe a dark purple lip probably would have looked a little better. But I'm not mad at this look now. I'm not mad at it. Real quick on my lips, I went in with the Jaclyn Hill Cosmetics lip liner in Bourbon. Topped it off with my Live Glam lipstick, and this is in Rome. This is the April bag or box, you want to call it, lipstick, and I really do like it. I think it mutes it a little bit just to give it more of an everyday look, but I think if you really want it to be bold, you could definitely go in with like a dark purple lipstick or like a black lipstick. That would look really good with a black lipstick. So that is the final look. This was a very quick video because I definitely wanted to do something with color, and I wanted to do something with purple, and I wanted to step outside my comfort zone. If you guys like this makeup look, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!